Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I got another video for you guys. Happy Friday, by the way. So just got out of work. I've been thinking on replacing these 19-inch stock tires. Actually, as you guys can see some of my videos, I was actually running some Lunacycle 17s. I just didn't like the fact that the front tire was actually more skinnier than the rear. So I try to get some flow wheels. I might actually have to cut some of the front fork covers, but we'll see. So stay tuned. I have been trying to actually go ride, but the weather here in California has been actually raining, so hopefully it stops. We'll be able. This is what it looked like. Both tires are actually balanced already. What's up, guys? As you guys can see, I will be wrapping up the video today. As you guys can see, it's not raining at the moment. Happy Saturday. So this is another day. Today's Saturday the 15th, so I will test ride and see if the speed changed or anything, how I felt the balance on the bike with these wheels. This is how the bike actually ended up looking. I didn't have to actually cut or modify anything. As you guys can see, there's no rubbing issues. Actually, it was a little struggle to put the bike on with the forks hitting, but you know, I actually got done. And a 48 tooth sprocket with the OEM chain. So actually for the 42 I have actually a warp 9 sprocket that I'll be installing, so I'm just waiting for my chain. These are 42 tooth sprockets supposedly to balance actually as I'm running the 14-inch wheels. So yeah, so I'll give you guys a video and see the top speed, if anything changed, or actually the center of gravity is better, and I still get the same speed even with the stock sprocket. So we'll do a speed run and see. Alright, let's go. I'll take you guys on a ride. Shush. Forgot to turn it on. Turns. I'm able to do even sharper turns. Getting 45. It's just so funny. Actually, even just turned out better looking. Like aesthetics, just like even with just knobby tires. I actually wanted to do a 19 and 16 inch in the back, but at the end I just decided to go just with the street tires. I mostly ride on the streets. I see a lot of people running into issues running a bigger tire in the back, wider tire. As you guys can see, I can just lean and just go. I can just lean on here.